Hey, everyone, let's create a beautiful curved carousel slider. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, select the Frame tool, and choose the Tablet Surface Pro 8 to create a frame. Next, create rectangles and duplicate them. Now, create ruler lines with a 70 pixel gap from both ends of the frame. Then, select all rectangles and adjust their positions. For images, use the plugin and search for the Content Reel plugin. Here, you can easily add photos and other necessary items that are very helpful for designers. I'm choosing Instagram photo gallery for all my rectangles. Make a frame of selected photos by right-click and choose Frame Selection. From the upper right corner, select Clip Content to hide the outer frame photos. Next, use the ellipse tool to adjust the curvature of the slider from both sides. Choose the same color as the background, which in my case is white. Then, select the frame and prototype overflow to horizontal. You can also give a heading to your beautiful curved carousel slider. I'm giving it the same name. That's it. You've created a beautiful curved carousel slider. Subscribe for more.